Size deviation may occur in daily use because of operation. Here is a video to show you how to set the offset. Press the offset button and press F3. In this interface, you can set the tool offset. We just measured the diameter is 16.65 mm. But what we need is 16.5 mm. So we need to set the offset minus 0.15 mm. Press minus 0.15 and press enter. Then the offset setting is done. To clear the offset setting, you have to enter the opposite. For example, the offset is minus 0.15 So we have to type in 0.15 and press enter to erase that. If we just type in 0 and press enter, it will not work.